Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at the Majorette Truck series. These are articulated tractor-trailer combinations in 1/64 scale. So I've got all three combinations in the set. It shows here on top that there is an opening part in the back. So let's get these out, take a look at them. They are all Mercedes rigs, by the way, as you can see here on the box. There also exists a MAN one. Unfortunately, I don't have that one. It's not in this set. So here it is. Let's take a look at the rig first. COE, very nicely detailed. So on the base it says 1/64 scale, Mercedes-Benz Actros. This is produced in February of 2014. And then here's the trailer. So it's got the metal base, plastic body. This thing kind of folds up. And then here in the back you can open this up to drive some cars in, which we'll do after we looked at all of them. So this case, this is a plastic fifth wheel. I think the other ones were metal, the smaller scale ones, and they had a hard time clicking in. This one works like a charm. This works way better. That's cool. Sweet. So deliveries on these, on the trailers, are, I think, fantasy liveries. Highway burner, it says. So let's take a look at the second one. Pretty much all the same, except for the livery on the trailer. But there is a reason why I got all three of them. So as you can see, pretty much the same, just a different color. Production is the same too, and the same here with the trailer. There's nothing written on there, by the way. And here's the inside. A little bit harder to see because it's blue. The white one is better to see. Yeah, this turns perfectly. And then the third one. Very nice gray, dark gray color. So again, very nicely detailed. I'll try and show the interior on this one. Looking really good. Very nicely detailed. Cool. Here again, everything's the same. And then this, yeah, works like a charm too. Now, the reason why I got all three of them, first because they were not expensive, they were only €8. And secondly, because there's another, or there's more trucks like these. They come with two cars, and they are car brands, or they represent car brands. So there's one that is a Lamborghini trailer with a Mercedes Actros, like this. There's another one that is in blue. That is a Ford WRC trailer with an MAN rig, like this one, but this is the smaller scale one. This is a transporter and is in 1/87 scale. And then there's a Porsche Motorsport trailer in white, also with an MAN rig. So why don't I have those? The Porsche and the Ford I never found in store, and they're very hard or very expensive online. The Lamborghini one I have found online and in store, but they still want more than 20 euro for those, and I just don't want to spend that kind of money, because these are little less than 8 euro. And then when you count the 2 Lamborghini Aventadors that come with it, not exactly like this, I will explain that in a moment. Let's say these are on average 3 euro a piece, so that's 6 plus 8 is 14 euro. So why they cost more than 20 in the set, I don't know. Just because they have a Lamborghini sticker on the side, well, I'm not willing to pay that. If you're willing to pay that, that's fine, but I'm not. So let's take a look at the cars. This is the actual car that is in the truck set, the Lamborghini truck set. I got this from the 5-pack. So this is the Aventador. It's also 1/64 scale, by the way. It's got suspension. It's in a matte black color with the Italian flag on it. And then the other one is also an Aventador, but it's in white. It's not this red one. It's in white. It's not exclusive to the set. It also comes in the Lamborghini series. Now, unfortunately, I have never seen the Lamborghini series in Europe. Why, I don't know, because it's a European brand, so it would make sense to sell them in Europe, but apparently Majorette has decided not to. So let's take a look and put these Lamborghinis in there. Oh, by the way, this is also from the gift pack. This is exclusive to the gift pack. This is the Mura homage Aventador. So very cool looking one. So you can drive these cars inside, just like that. And then the second one behind it. And well, it seems like it might fit a third one actually, but did not bring out a third one. Let's see whether one of the Porsches I got out. Just not quite. And like that, you can close it up. I don't know how much further I can push this. Yeah, it's closed all right. And then drive off with them. And then take them out. Maybe I pushed this one a little bit too far now. Yeah, like that. And to get them out again, probably have to lift it up a little bit. Yep, there they come. So that was my Lamborghini truck. Then we got the Ford one. So same as this one, but then 1/64 scale. It comes with the Ford Fiesta WRC, and those two are exclusive to that set. So not this one, of course. This is just a standard racing car. So a blue truck with, I don't know, can't remember what the colors are of the exclusive Ford Fiestas. WRC cars have no suspension, have no interior. They do have lens headlights, but since the windows are black, the lenses are black too on the lights, and they have full deco all around. So this is a Fiesta casting. I only have one of those, so I took another WRC car, the Mini Countryman Cooper WRC. So same here, you can drive those in just like that. And then close it up. There you go. And then to finish it off, the Ford one, sorry, the Porsche one. That also is white, but has a Porsche Motorsport on the side. Comes with the MAN that I don't have, unfortunately, just like the Ford one. This is one of the Porsches that is in that set. It's a racing cars Porsche. So this is the GT3 159 scale suspension, opening doors, and headlights. And then the other one is a matte black one. I don't have that one, so we'll just use this one. There you go. Close it up, and that's it. So very cool. Got a lot of play value. Would look nice in a diorama too, I think. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to put the three truck lines of Majorette next to one another, or maybe behind one another. So this is Truck Series 164. This is Transporter Series. This is 187. And this is Trailer Series 1 to 100. So those are the three truck lines, I should say, that Majorette has. So I'll put them next to one another like this too, so you can see the difference in height also. So there you go, 1 to 100, 187 and 164. So I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.